Hello there. In the spring of 2023, we began building the trail that you see here. But in July, Nova Scotia experienced a rain event that gave us a foot of rain in a 24-hour period. Our little brook became a river. When the water receded days later, the section of trail we had completed was in pretty rough shape. Any soil or small stone had been washed away. This is as far as we got with the trail construction before the flood. When the repair's completed, I'll start working here and the trail will meander up through the forest. For the repair, we ordered 2 truckloads of stone and a load of gravel. Our B2601 had to work pretty hard to scoop up the large stone, so I usually had to finish filling the bucket by hand. We have never received rain like this before, but if it happens again, I'm hoping that my repair will fare a bit better. My thinking here is to raise the height of the trail a bit and to only use stone. I try to place large stone first, followed by smaller stone, and finish off with a thin layer of gravel. Safety glasses were a must. As I tossed stone around, chips would often fly off. Now I have to tell you, I am pretty spoiled. And while I'm working, I often have a visitor who brings me a nice picnic lunch. So this bench will really come in handy. It's been slow, labor-intensive work, but I find it very satisfying, and I love spending time in this part of the property. Thanks for watching, and take care.